subscribers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that. See what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got a big old box, guys. And we are in prime time now. Black Friday deals are going on. Cyber Monday deals are going on. In between deals are going on. Definitely check these guys out. And we'll take a look inside right about now. Oh, baby. Here we go. Vizio V-Series 5.1 surround bar or sound bar. Wireless subwoofer. Surround speakers. Center speaker. Scan to learn more. 6 powerful speakers. 96 decibels. 4.5 wireless subwoofer. Surround speakers. Center dialogue speaker. Voice assistant input. Dual stereo mode. Surround mode. HDMI ARC. DTS. Virtual X. DTS. Digital surround. HDMI. Ooh, baby. This should be a good one, guys. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the affiliate link. We're going to unbox, set up, everything else coming up. Guys, here it is. Really nice looking. Got us running through the optical cable. And got Judgment or Training Day going. And the sound is amazing. Hold on one sec. Here are the other 2 speakers. We got that one right here. Looking good. And the other one right there. I'll turn it up. Here's the remote. Play, pause. You can set up right here. Info, auto, eco, input, program. You get to change the effect. Surround dual. That's to have those speakers and the center going on at once. That's why I keep it. Hear how it sounds.
You're a hero. You're a virgin shooter above suspicion. Awesome. There's 2 shots left in another stinger. We need to just kill your boy right now and say Roger got him coming through the door.
I gotta be careful with the copyright. So, but yeah, definitely really nice surround sound. Really happy I got them, and you guys can get them too. They got the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on now. Vizio 5.1. Check them out. Link is gonna be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.